Then people get him awesome stapler please don't take it shirt lose something before we can really appreciate it. Sadly, I don't think it's just about Mark here. It's a trend we have in society. I watched a YouTube video from a guy called Jack where talks about the best thing to do to your career is to die. 'Cause that's when you will get attention. But it's just so sad Mark doesn't live to see the love he gets now. It really is. Though, when death is what makes you decide to give to them. And you post on social media about giving the homeless a single penny. Awesome stapler please don't take it shirt, tank top, V-neck, sweatshirt, and hoodie. Tank top, sweatshirt, hoodie, V-neck. There are still other homeless people who would need awesome stapler please don't take it shirts. That money far more than the deceased. But giving them money and not other products.